Okay guys, so we're here with a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you guys how to pair your phone with the new Entune 3.0 system. Also, the most exciting new feature, the Apple Carplay and Android Auto. I'll show you a little bit about how that works with the various ports, or I should say port, that it's compatible with. So let's start by pairing our phone using Bluetooth, the old method. So this is your main screen here, and you'll see your stereo. Once you pair a phone, you'll see info there. Cars that have navigation will have their maps over there. This is just some driving data information there. So let's go ahead and get started by hitting register phone, and then it's going to ask us to get started with the process of pairing our phone by going to the Bluetooth menu. And this is a iPhone XR. You'll see the Toyota Tacoma. Click that. You want to probably allow your favorites and contacts to sync so you can see who's calling you. When a call comes in, it'll show up on the screen there, should you do that. So this is another one. You may need to allow message access on your phone. I'll show you guys how to do that in the Bluetooth menu. We'll go ahead and skip that for now. And there we go. We're connected. So if you want to enable contacts or showing notifications like your text messages, basically allowing text to work, you need to go into the Bluetooth menu for the Tacoma and click show notifications. So now you're all paired up, and if you want to place a call, receive a call, that's all done right in the phone menu there. It'll pull all my it's still pulling contacts here, and then if you want to then use Bluetooth to play your music, there we are. So then the second way to connect your phone to the new Entune system is get yourself a handy dandy lightning cable if you are in the Apple world, and you're going to need to plug into this front USB port. That's the one that will link up to the Entune system. Now there are two USB ports in the center console, and as far as I can tell, those are just delivering power, not a connection to the system here. So let's go ahead and get CarPlay started. So plug in a real lightning cable, and as soon as that happens, you'll see your Apple CarPlay screen, and now you'll be able to take advantage of all it has to offer. Obviously the maps, messaging, and music are great. So this is the way I prefer to do connectivity with my CarPlay or Android Auto enabled vehicles. So that's a quick demonstration on how to get your CarPlay to work in a 2020 Tacoma. Tundra and 4Runner all should work basically the same here. So hope that helps.